We've got your vehicle covered front to back with FH Group's premium PU leather seat covers. These high-quality covers are treated with a protective coating for durability to offer ultimate comfort. Installation is a breeze. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, as well as the split sections of the seats. The zippered mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. To top it off, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket, and special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. Our premium PU leather covers can accommodate traditional, heated, or cooled seats, and are backed with 3mm of breathable foam, which disperses heat, keeping you cool and comfortable. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bottom bench cover, and headrest covers. Choose from 4 stylish color designs and personalize your ride today.